Well, here is the greenhouse that I am working on putting together. I believe it's a 6x6. I gotta get some more support in there. But it is time for the plastic window slat thingies. So, behold my chariot and my toting utility cart. I love it. So, I'm gonna take y'all with me and we're gonna ride on down and go pick up the window pieces because I didn't bring them up here with me. But I see I didn't get completely ready to take y'all on a ride yet. So let me clean up just a little bit. We see we got the corn for the deer. I'm actually going to leave this stuff here. There's my directions, my drill bits, and make sure I don't have any other little pieces like this one. They're going to fall out of my cart when I'm driving. So, here we go. Packed up. Good to go. Going for a ride. Now, 1 second. Put it in neutral. Can you see that? Normally I probably wouldn't have turned that off, but since you guys are here, and I don't know if you can hear me when that's running, I am going to set you down right there. Okay. I don't know what you could see of that. There's the shed, closer up. And there's that trailer I was just talking about. Oh, it's gotta go. And I didn't show y'all inside any of the containers. This is the one that came with 2 big old Walmart shelves in it. So, we gotta get those out of there. We need some wheels or something. I just moved one of the cats over to here because there was mice eating my seating trays. There's that other house. Did you hear that? That was one of the cats. She must be in there. Her name's Lacey, the white and gray one. So again, There's the RV. We put down those boards, hoping we're gonna keep some rain from sticking us. Hey, Lacey. Hey. You want to say hi? It's your YouTube debut. Say hi. Hi. Our nephew Will brought us these cats for outside. Ooh, and she keeps trying to trip me. Feral cats becoming friendly. Don't know how to behave. Alright, so now I'm going to ride back up. Maybe I'll let you guys watch me for a minute or two. I didn't want to make it too long of a video. Look at her. Cascading about. Alright. Neutral. One-handed driving. Alright, I'm going to go slower on the way back. I don't want to break these plastic, most expensive plastic in the world. There's the fruit trees over there by the washing machine. Country. Drive over this ditch. Alright, we're back. About that. Couldn't get the parking brake set. So now let me try to get you an angle. You can watch me for a second. Let's see if I can get this to stand up anywhere. Alright. Okay. Directions back off the ground. And these are 70-11s that I'm sliding in. Almost everywhere. I'm gonna guess it's these. They don't appear to have numbers on them. And we're going in. Alright, well it's supposed to be like that. Alright, well, I don't know what you can see over here, but these pieces, these diagonal pieces, are not tightened yet. So I'm guessing that that is why these are not lining up yet. But thank goodness it's a windy day. That should help immensely, right? Alright, well, you get the point. You can see what kind of fun I'm gonna have. So, I just want to give you an idea of what I'm doing today. I don't even know if you can see me right now. Alright, love you guys. Hope you're having a great day. It is 79 degrees on December 31st with 71% humidity. And I have a little bit of brow sweat while setting up the greenhouse here in Mississippi. Happy New Year. Love y'all. Stay blessed. You are a God.